Hey guys, Thad with Survival Gardener, wearing my favorite Monsanto shirt, just for somebody who called me a shill on the internet. I'm sorry, I'm a shill. I just want to admit I get paid for every time I disagree with somebody who chooses an entirely vegan diet. But I'm a big fan of vegetables anyway. So what I'm going to do now is see what I can pick in the next 10 minutes and run around the property and collect some calories. Let's go. Ooh, papayas. Turmeric. Agua de pipa. Cuadrados. Moringa. Nopales. Like green beans. Oh, and what is this? Ooh, let's get some kalamansi limes too. I call them one-shot lemons because you can use them for each drink. Ooh, what's this down here? Oh, I'm gonna get that. Oh, yes! So good. Thai basil, some regular Italian basil, and some spinach. For a salad. And if we're gonna make a salad, we gotta have Katuk, the Indonesian understory bush. It supplies a free salad all day. So good. I think we better get some fish. Oh yeah, there's some good ones in there. Oh, those are two good ones there. Oh yeah, two more eaters. All right, hey, no. Not your fish. Alright. You have two good fillets. Hello. Give me some of them eggs. Oh yeah, 5 new eggs. Thank you. I appreciate it. That's all we need for now. I forgot. Always gotta get a habanero. Not a bad take for a walk around the property. I can live with that. Guess now I got a lot of work to do in the kitchen. Right, so for a little wrap up, we got some papaya, eggplant, some type of squash, ayote, might be a Seminole pumpkin, starfruit, limes, calamansi limes, nopales, coconuts for water, cuadrados for pancakes, turmeric for munching on, Katuk, and spinach for salad, moringa for salad and soups, and not too bad for today. You have habanero peppers. I got a bunch more to pick, but I would call it a successful day. Calories harvested.